Start with a brief introduction to the product, mentioning its full name, the company behind it, and what the product claims to do. Establish why this review is relevant and how it might help the reader or listener decide whether this product is suitable for them. Product description: physical attributes. Describe the packaging, the size of the bottle for fluid ounces, and the appearance of the oil. Ingredients. Highlight key ingredients, such as Moroccan argan oil, and discuss their benefits for hair and skin. Mention that the product is non-GMO verified. Price and availability. Discuss where the product can be purchased, the price, and how it compares to similar products in terms of cost-effectiveness. Features and benefits: hair care. Explain how argan oil benefits hair by moisturizing, reducing frizz, and promoting growth. Include user testimonials or data, if available. Skin care. Discuss its uses for skin care, such as hydration and improving skin elasticity. Versatility. Highlight how it can be used for both hair and skin, which adds value for a consumer looking for multipurpose products. Application and efficiency: how to use. Provide details on how the product should be applied for both hair and skin. Texture and absorption. Describe the oil's texture and how quickly it absorbs into the skin or hair without leaving a greasy residue. Effectiveness. Share personal experiences or gather user reviews on how effective the product is in delivering on its promises. Comparative analysis. Compare this argan oil with other similar products in terms of effectiveness, ingredients, price, and user satisfaction. Discuss any unique aspects that may make the Botanic Hearth product stand out or fall short compared to others. Pros and cons. List the advantages and disadvantages of using this product based on your research, personal use, and user reviews. This section should be balanced to maintain neutrality. User reviews and feedback include a variety of user opinions, both positive and negative, to give a well-rounded view of the product. Mention any recurring themes in user feedback, such as appreciation for the product's natural ingredients or complaints about the packaging. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed. Provide a balanced view that reiterates who might benefit most from the product and under what circumstances. Call to action. Encourage your readers or listeners to consider the information provided to make an informed decision. You can suggest visiting the products page for more details or to purchase. Additional tips for engagement. Use clear headings. This makes the review easier to follow and allows readers to find information quickly. Incorporate multimedia. If possible, include images or videos of the product being used. Keep the tone friendly and professional. While being informative, ensure the review is accessible and engaging.